Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Umphathi bafethu we-Cape Town Spurs u-Alex uthi uyafuna ukuhlangana noVelebayi noLokhunjana noBatman. Uyafuna ukuhlala nabo kwi-meeting baxoxe. Abatshele ukuthi uzizwa kanjani about everything nje yenzekile laphana ukuthi bahambe the way abahambe ngakhona. So kusho ukuthi lento leyo ayemphathi kahle bafethu. I mean this is sad. Yabona masingabuyela ku-human level, this is sad what is happening ukuthi vele ukhulisa amaplayer. Ngeke ngayisho lento le mangikhuluma ngami, ukhulisa amaplayer avele ahambe kanje. Uphinde waphinda futhi wathi because of ubudlelwane bakhe namaplayer, i-father and son, so into nje kanjalo. So siyazi ukuthi ubaluze mahhala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke ngephutha lakhe because of i-Kaizer Chiefs they were willing to pay 4 million for iVelebayi plus amaplayer awu-2 bafethu, 2 players. Cabanga uthola i-4 million bathatha uVelebayi banika ama-player awu-2 ane-experience yokudlala ku-senior division, but wayi-reject. I think uthe akazisoli ngoku-rejecta leyo mali leyo i-Kaizer Chiefs, yena akazisoli nakancane. Yena bekafuna le mali nje le ayifunayo, okunye nokunye hayi ngeke aloke a-based kuko azisole ukuthi why engalokhunjananga engabahambisanga. But at the same time naye bekumele abe ne-meeting yazi le khehla bafethu ngizoyivala kodwa indaba yakhe. Why angabanga ubaba kubo ekuqaleni, wahlala nawe uVelebayi phansi wathi bheka i-Kaizer Chiefs iyakufuna mfethu ne, njengoba ikufuna i-Kaizer Chiefs ikufuna ngo-4 million, mina ngithi uyi-10 million, but siyazi ukuthi u-Kaizer mina ngizokudedela, but maybe in return mhlampe ngingafuna lokhu nalokhu, because maybe in return ngelinye ilanga mawusuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngelinye ilanga uyobuya la ethimini babe nalo agreement, because akhona ama-clause anjalo, or ama-clause athi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithi ilo iphethe 4 million for wena, but singasayina ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-clause yokuthi mawungakora let's say wena 25 goals ku-Kaizer Chiefs bazosinika another 3 million for wena. So I mean niyakwazi ukumitha nawo for because siyazi ukuthi i-life changing move ukuthi abadlali baye ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke yena urejecte wasani wathi nje usifunela i-10 million for uVelebayi nje kuphela, futhi at some point befuna 12 million waphinde wayehlisa imali yakhona. Noma kuthiwa sebaya ku-National First Division oVelebayi still i-maintain leyo nto leyo ukuthi abayindawo, noma sokungenelela imindeni abayindawo, kodwa namhlanje uyazisola. I think uyazisola noma eshilo laphana ku-interview ukuthi akazisoli ngoku-reject i-4 million, emzwile ekhala bafethu. Bekhuluma kabuhlungu uzwe ukuthi uyi-emotionally because of bebam-interviewer through i-phone call, uyi-emotionally uyamuzwa ukuthi le ndaba le ayimphathi kahle at all bafethu. So it's sad what is happening, to be honest, whether benefit abanye kwaluza abanye, but it's sad. But-ke khona into engifuna ngeke ngayithinta le nto la izolo, ukhulume ngokuthi i-PSL bekumele i-change imithetho ukuthi i-accommodate i-Cape Town Spurs because of eminye imithetho yaku-PSL iyabheda. Yazi bafethu likhona iqiniso kule nkulumo le, when you go to imithetho yaku-PSL ayi enye iyabheda, ba-create i-600 page but banemithetho ebhedayo. Into ebaluleke kakhulu engikhulume ngayo ama-salaries wama-player bafethu, ukuthi ama-player khona ama-player ahola 4,000 adlala ku-PSL, and uma ukhuluma imagine udlala ku-PSL, udlala nama-senior players, lese udlala angifuni ukukhuluma ngamagama abantu straight because ngiyawazi amanye ama-salaries wabo. Lese nje ithi senze example ukuthi udlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, siyazi kuMamelodi Sundowns akekho umuntu oholi 4,000 unless if maybe udlalela i-DDC team and then usatrainer ne-first team bayakuzama, maybe-ke lapho ungahola leyo 4,000 leyo because of saseyimali yaku-DDC team. And khona amanye ama-player adlala kuMamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs ne, ane-senior contract already but baku-DDC team, meaning that i-senior contract yabo thola ukuthi akusiyimali eserious ngo-20,000 ne, but badlala ku-DDC team bayasho ukuthi okay, njengoba udlala ku-DDC team siyabonisa ukuthi sifuna ukugcina ukuthi ube nemadlana ukwazi ukuphilisa, sifuna ukukuhambisa iyo kwamanye ama-team because ngelinye ilanga sokupromota, so babagcina kanjalo kuma-big team, babagcina kanjalo amanye ama-player. Even nakwamanye ama-team thola ukuthi awukakabi fit ukuthi udlale ku-senior team and then bakufaka lapha kulo ku-DDC team, but-ke une-senior contract. I wish inkinga ngifuna ukufaka abantu ey'nkingeni, but I'll start interviewing ama-player or ama-player ake adlala or abafana baphelele ku-D_D_C team, because I sit down with them and have lama conversation lawa. Because of a heart-to-heart conversation, I decide not ukuthi ngirecord unless if ngizocela umuntu ukuthi a-record. The thing is, uma uzofuna ukuhlala phansi ukhulume nomfana odlala ku-D_D_C team una-22, noma kuthola ukuthi urelease-we i-Pirates, urelease-we i-Sundowns, urelease-we i-Nakasena team, ngeke akhulume director athi ama-team because of usafuna ukudlala professional. So there's no way akhulume kabi ngama-team. So yiso i-struggle esikhulu. As much as I wanna do these interviews, even nama-former football players, or uthole ukuthi umfana una-25, khona una-25 esimazi sonke bafowethu, bengikhuluma naye ey'nsukwini. Ukhuluma ngama-contract wakhe ethimini, uhlale by the way uhlale 3 years kule team le, i-team enkulu, uhlale 3 years to 4 years kule team le, bamlona bamusa le nale. I-contract yakhe bekuyi-37,000. Why? Kuleyo team leyo bekangakazi-prove that much, but bekaku-P_S_L for 3 years, ne? 3 years ku-37,000. But abanye abantu, but bekangakazi-prove vele, ngiya-understand. But abanye abantu bazobona umfana bathi hayi ngoba ukule team enkulu uhola 100,000. Kanti no ways, kusamele a-approve. And khona ama-player ahlala kuma-big teams engeke ngiwasho, engingenza ama-example wawo. Uthola ukuthi umuntu uhlala 10 years ku-big team but akana-influence, akanalutho. Why? Because ku-small contract they don't care ngayo. Like ku-small contract ungathola ukuthi let's say bampromote 2020 bebamnika mhlawumbe u-16,000, and then 2021 bamnika u-20,000, 2022 bamnika u-24,000. So i-team ayiluzi that much, especially ama-big teams. Balokhu bayikhuphula nge-4,000 imali yakhe, bayikhuphula ngo-3,000, bayikhuphula ngemalini. Uthole ukuthi umfana una-6 years ethimini, khathi ahola bama-40 something thousand. Yenzeka kubantu abaningi engi-interact-a nabo. I-P_S_L njengoba ngithi ukuthi umthetho u-broken, kumele ushintshe, kumele kube ne-salary cap. Salary cap eshoyo ukuthi uma udlala ku-P_S_L bafowethu akumelanga uhole less than le mali le. Wonke ama-team asayine laphana ukuthi okay, wonke umuntu wamrejista umuntu, kumele ulo aqale ukuhola le mali le. Kwamanye ama-biggest leagues in the world ikhona, but ku-P_S_L ayikho into yakhona. P_S_L-ke abanye kuney'nkinga ey'ningi nkosiyami, but I don't wanna embarrass amanye ama-teams, because abantu they hold ama-team to the highest level ukuthi hayi le team le ngeke yenze izinto ezi-wrong. But-ke thina esi-close to the system, izinto esizizwayo it's shocking. And what I've realized, into engingabatshela yona abanye abantu, because I'm also close to abantu aba-highly influential, I have lama conversation nabo abakhulumi, ngeke ba-attack ama-team. Why? Because ba-protect-a ubudlelwane babo nama-team, because of they get ama-sponsorships through lama-team lawo. Ngizonenzela example nje eyodwa. I-Shield isponsor, ngingashaya isikhonkosini but asiye lapha. I-Shield sponsor ibhola lase-South Africa at the moment. At the same time iphinde isponse amanye ama-journalist. So uyayibona i-connection ukuthi iyaphi. I-Betway ithi ngeke u-Betway. I-Betway isponsor almost bonke ama-journalist lawa amakhulu. I-Betway or i-Hollywood Bet basponsor wonke lama-journalist lawa. So if i-Betway associated to i-P_S_L as a whole, chaza ukuthini? Chaza ukuthi le journalist leli elisponsor i-Betway naye angeke akhulume izinto ezimbi ngama-teams waku-P_S_L. Why? Because ungcolisa i-image yebhola elisponsor yini? I-Betway. So complicated, but ngizoyichaza ngelinye ilanga kahle lento. But yeah, umphathi we-Cape Town Spurs ufuna i-meeting novele baye no-Batman. Danko bafethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.